Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and this is a flip through of a book that's called Bella Blue, and that's also the name of the kit. And this is part of our Designer Spotlight series that we've just begun. And the designer of this kit is Nathalie Heijne, and her link to her Etsy store, her Facebook group, and her YouTube channel are all going to be below this video. And just in case you want to know, all three of those are named LineDotArrow. And so let's get going here. Now, I started out using a magnet to close this, but then I made it so fat that the magnet wouldn't wouldn't work, and so I ended up putting a few Velcro dots in here. So on the top, on the cover, we have this beautiful peacock, and then we open it up with our Velcro dot, and you can see there's two loaded pockets, and there's a butterfly, and then behind here is a bookmark, very large bookmark. And I left it long for the layering. And then you turn this, there's a little Velcro dot here, and you open this, and there is a little bitty pocket over here. There's also a kind of a hidden pocket over here. You can see the writing card, but when you take it out, this matches the picture on the page underneath perfectly. I fussy cut that out by hand. My brother Scan and Cut did not do that. But this just makes it look like there's even more flowers. And on this page is also a hidden pocket. This is the same paper, even though it's a little different color. I printed them differently. But when you take this out, then the pocket disappears into the page. So it's a nice hidden pocket there for you. Another writing card. Okay, and then there's also some writing paper here, and I've stenciled it, and on the other side I believe it's blank for you to write on. Both sides have been printed with color, so it's not white. Then when you turn this page, you have a very, very large pocket. This has some embellishment on it. It's the back side of this here, and so we've got some embellishments on here, and it says Dream. Then you open this, and you have a very large pocket here, and if you can see, it's accordion on the side so that you can open it up wider to get even more stuff in there. Then we have an actual full-size notebook that's in here. We've got hand-dyed coffee stain paper, and we've also got kit papers, and they've been printed on the back so you have room to write. And on this back page here, you have a ginormous pocket across the whole back of the book, and inside here I've actually added 3 more notebooks. These 2 are ephemera from the kit, so you've got a little notebook to write in here, and another one here, and I printed them on both sides so it looks coffee stained on the inside here. You can see the papers look very nice together. This is the main color theme that I decided to use from the kit all the way through the book, and then this has been my contrast, and then these have been sort of the decorative part. And so I made another small notebook out of 2 kit pages that were printed on both sides. You can put that in there along with the, there we go, along with the 2 notebooks that came as the ephemera. Okay, and that brings us to the back, which is just a lovely picture. There's so much stuff stuffed into here. I didn't want to put anything else on the back and stuff it anymore. So that's it. That's our Bella Blue. And I just wanted to thank Nathalie for giving me the opportunity to highlight her papers, and they're beautiful. All of her kits are beautiful. You should go visit her over at LineDotArrow on Etsy, and like I said, all the links for her will be below this. And I hope to see you in the next flip through. And there's a full video. If you if you're seeing this last, there's a whole 6-part tutorial video series on how I made this, and you can get that at the Sweet Pea Papers YouTube channel. And there's also a PDF available with step-by-step instructions on how I made this, and that's available at the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. Okay, so I guess that's it for this flip through. I will see you in the next video series and or flip through, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.